Hello everyone, this is Vikram Jetwani. Hope you are doing awesome today. In this video, we are going to speak about top 3 websites through which you can design nice graphics, social media banners, posters, infographics pretty easily. Here you don't need to have any particular designing skills in Photoshop or Corel, etc. And it is mostly about drag and drop. So let's start. The first tool which I'm going to speak about is Canva. Let's go to canva.com here. And once you log in through your Google or Facebook account, you will get a dashboard like this. And here you can see there are different categories of infographics, postcards, logos, tags, photo collages, presentations, etc. So beneath that, if you just check, some of the designs which are looking pretty cool, here you can see the structure of the infographics, the banners, etc. is pretty good, and the color scheme, the graphics, the fonts, everything is sorted out. Here you don't have to worry about a lot of these things. Okay, so let's proceed. And the moment you click on, let's say, infographics here, you will get more templates like these. You can pick any of the templates. You can check out some of the templates are free, some are premium ones which are available when you subscribe to the tool, but most of these tools are free. All right, so you can pick any one of these. For example, if I just click on, let's say, this one, I just click on that and it will come over here. And from here, I can increase the zoom to increase the size of the graphics. And then I can pretty much, you can see that it's as simple as maybe PowerPoint or Word, and you can just click on the text and you can replace that with your content. As simple as that. You can change the colors as well. You can see the added tools, the fonts, the size, and all the other options which are available to you. You can use them quite easily. Okay, so I hope that you are going to make the best use of this tool. Let's proceed to the second one, which is Piktochart. So let me type Piktochart here. Just notice the spelling of Piktochart. It is Piktochart.com, Piktochart.com. And again, you have to log in with your Google or Facebook account. Once you do that, you will be getting into the tool like this, and you have the dashboard. Let me proceed to, let's say, again, infographic. And they are also providing a lot of good templates already, and you can pick any one of these. And let's use this template for example. So again, once the template is loaded or on your screen, you can simply replace the text and do your editing. And otherwise, you don't have to worry about the structure and color schemes and fonts especially. Otherwise, it takes a lot of time. So most of you, if you are into marketing or sales or any such functions, marketing and communications, you will already know that how much time it takes to develop a good infographic or a good graphics per se. Even a social media banner can take a lot of time, sometimes several days, right? So I would suggest that you go for these kind of tools, and for that matter, you don't have to be a skilled designer. Anyone can do that, as you can see. So now I'm going to the third tool, which is Photore.com. This tool especially is my personal favorite, and you can develop good collages out there. I'm just clicking on collage here, and you can see some good options over there. So let me, for example, pick artistic collage. All right, and again, you will get the template on your screen, and you can import your images from this button, import. And after that, you can simply drag and drop your images in this template. It is as simple as that. And once you are done, you can save your file. The moment you click on save, you can name your file, and you can select the file type and the resolution, and you can download it free of cost. All right, so these are the three top tools which can be helpful in your initiatives. I hope that you are going to make the best use of these tools. If you have any queries, you can always come back to me. And otherwise, also, I'm going to develop some more videos like these on a regular basis. For that matter, if you want, you can always subscribe to my channel on YouTube. That is named as Marcom18. All right, and we'll catch up soon. Thank you so much for your time.